Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add fast and easy floating buttons to Elementor. So you first have to activate it. Go to the left menu, Elementor, Settings, click Floating Buttons. This is in Netherlands, but if you have English you see here floating buttons. Hit change, hit save. Then go to, from the left menu, click Templates, Floating Buttons. Here you can see floating buttons, click Add New. Here you have everything you can choose from. Let's say we want WhatsApp, add in. And here you can fully customize your WhatsApp button. Can give it color and everything. That's it.